Today we have a bit different tutorial video. Last time we have seen how to insert custom animation to any object, and this video concerns more of using those custom animation, but the presentation is a single slide presentation. So let's take a look at the first example and we will learn how to do it. So we have seen that there were 4 courses which comes from the left side, that is from this side, and all of those courses has the same template but only the texts are different. So my aim is to make a single template for one course, copy the template, change the color as well as change the text. Okay, so let's make the first template. Let me delete all this because I don't need the text boxes. I have to make it with the shapes only. So I'll go to insert, shapes, and let me pick up a rectangle. And this is the area for the first course. Go to format for coloring and then outlines. So shape fill, I'll keep this color, and then the outline, I don't need the outline. So for the outline, I'll select no outline. Go to insert, again, shapes, and make a rectangle around it. So inside here I'm going to write the name of the course. So you can right click on the object and go to edit text so that you will be able to type the text. I'll make it bold, press Ctrl plus B for bold, and for this particular object also I'll go to shape fill and change a different color and remove the outline. Next is to write the qualification and the duration and all. So I'll go to insert again, and I'm going to select this one right here. And for copying an object, you can press Ctrl in your keyboard, click with your mouse and drag it this side, so you'll have a copy of the same object that is done here. So in order to insert the text, right click, edit text, and I'll type eligibility, select that, make it bold, whatever you have done here. Let me change the color here first. Okay, so whatever you have inserted in this area, all this has to be in one group. So for that I need to do grouping, and for grouping all these objects you'll have to select all of them one by one. So I'll select the first one, press shift and select one by one, right click on any of these selected ones, right click and go to group and select group. So all these objects comes under one group, so that whenever I want to move it, they will move together. Now for the second one, I'll make a copy of this particular template. So all I have to do is press Ctrl, click mouse and drag it somewhere to the left. And before changing the text, first change the color so that you don't get confused with the first one. So I'll double click in this area so that I select the bigger rectangle. I'll go to shape fill and change the color. So here, if I want to change the text, I'll have to click in this area, and here I'm going to make it as CCWD, and duration was same in here. Basic computer concepts. Okay, so that is for the second one. This one also I'm going to change the color. So we are done for the second one. Now for the third one, I'll copy it again. Right after making all these templates, all you have to do is select all of them and bring it to the left side. So keeping it on the left side, make sure that this line aligns properly, so that you don't face any difficulty in putting the animation. So let's go in add animation. For the first course, I'm going to click the first course and go to animation, custom animation, and in here go to motion paths, because I'm going to let it move from left to right, so it'll go to the right direction. Right means it'll go to the right direction, so I'm going to select this one. So we have a preview here which comes to this area only. In this area, the green color of the arrow represents the starting point and the red color represents the ending point. So the ending should not be here, it should be somewhere around here. So we'll take a look at the preview. Okay, it goes beyond our slide, so I'm going to change this again. Okay, so that will do. Now for the second one also, I'm going to insert the same animation. So motion paths to right, and now since you already have an idea where the first slide ends, I'm going to make it somewhere near the first one. Okay, let's see again. This is the first one and this is the second one. I think that will work. And for the third and fourth also, I can put it together, so I can select both of them and then insert the motion path. Okay, so this is for the third one and this is for the fourth one. Okay, let's press F5 to check our animation. So if you've seen that the third and fourth comes together, which means in our custom animation part, these and these are together. So I'm going to change that. Right click and it should be on start on click. So this is how it will look like.